friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. Today is Christmas inspiration. Our host is Lady in Red Crafting, Lowly D's Creations, and our guest host is Creations by Favi. Please check out their channels and all the wonderful Christmas creations in the playlist. We're going to paint this white, and I got way too much. We're gonna do a little bit of green. Up there on the handle. Found these at the thrift store. These were a buck. And I thought I'd use it on some DIY. Heck, if I use one on DIYs and use some for napkins for Christmas, it'd all work out. I'm going to just cut along the line here at the top. Then I'm going to cut it up the other fold. Okay, now let's get the back off. Pull that off. Add our Elmer's glue on. You could use Mod Podge too, it's whatever you want to use. I just have Elmer's glue sitting in front of my face, so that's the first thing I grabbed. Okay, I was looking for a paintbrush, couldn't find it. add some brown around this. Make it a little rustic looking. Okay, let's take our sander, clean that up. This is burnt umber. We're gonna just make it look rustic on the edges. Okay, let's add this. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of string on top of this bow. I'm just and then I'm trying to make it even. Here is our circle, and we're going to add our transfer. This one isn't going to be easy, I don't think. have a little tiny transfer I may add to this. I may add it right in there. Let's see if this will work. Yeah, I might add that there. Just to kind of fill in this bottom a little bit. Yeah, just add a little bit more volume down there. Okay, we're going to start out with a 4-inch ball and material of our choice. Looks familiar, doesn't it? Like the ribbon. I am doing a red and blue winter one. And I just left it. It just left a red and blue camping theme. Of course, it'll have a little bit of green in it. I'm going to just gather this material up like this, like this. This is so easy, and I used to sell these at craft these exact ornaments at craft show. They're so easy to make, and you can do them in whatever theme. Just like me, this year I'm doing a camping theme, so it makes it easy to switch between themes and have bigger ornaments. You can use ribbon, or you can use your cording to tie this off. And it's always helpful if you have another person, but it's just me here today, so Thad can't help me. Another hand is helpful in this process. Somebody that can hold this while you tie it off. And here you go. You add a bow. You can use these as bowl fillers, or you can add a rope, which I'll show you how to add a rope to make it an ornament. Okay, I'm going to take a piece of our twine tie a knot in it. And then I'll trim it up. I'm going to go down in the center. And I'm going to take this needle and I'm going to push it into our twine. And that will be what holds our ornament in place. And you could put some pine here, and you could do a flower out of twine, whatever you want. Any kind of fabric of your choice could be here. This is our 2 ornaments. I love the cardinals, but this is fun and it'll sure fill in a lot of space on my tree. Here is our cutting board we did with our snowman napkins from the Goodwill.